Alrighty, old goats. Hey, we got Morefulls car light thing. I don't know. Yeah, it's for the interior of your vehicle. $16.99. Yeah, $16.99 on Amazon. We'll put a link for this down below in the description. We're just going to get a quick rundown of what you get in the box, and then we're going to go put it in the car, and then we're going to have to wait till it's dark outside to look at it. I mean, you'll be able to see it during the daylight. It's just not going to be as pretty, you know. And this does say romantic lighting, so I don't know about how romantic it is to sit in a car, but whatever. Alright, so you got your adhesive promoter that comes in there. Feels kind of like a gel. And of course your instruction manual, which we'll have to read that. And then you got your remote for it, which we'll have to read to see what this remote. Oh, and it's got a QR code on the remote, so you can download an app for your phone. See? And then of course I think it's some peel and stick here. Let's see, yep, peel and stick adhesive. So you peel that off and then you stick it to where you want it to go. Cigarette lighter adapter. That way you can, you know, run it. And of course, I push down the button for on, push back up for off. That's what this power button's for. I don't know, we'll figure that out. We'll figure that out later. Then you got what, 4 strips? 1, 2, 3, 4 strips with adhesive backs. And you know, we'll just look at the LEDs on here. They're not huge. There's not a lot of them. But it's inside your car, so I mean, if you're driving down the road, you really don't want this thing to be lit up like a Christmas tree. If you're not driving down the road and you're sitting still, you probably don't want it to be lit up like a Christmas tree either, because that's going to be eating a whole bunch of your battery. And I mean, I would think you'd want a dim light in your vehicle. It's got plenty of cord, plenty of cable. I mean, there's, you know, plenty of cable over there too. Plus, it comes down with several not twisty ties, zip ties to attach it to stuff with. So, and of course the adhesive back on here. So, we're gonna go clean the car up and try to figure out where we want to put these, and probably show you how we're attaching them to the car